Hello students, I hope you all are safe at home. Today I am going to explain you lesson number 9 and the name of the lesson is the earth, our habitat. Wherever we live, that place is our village and home. All this is on top of what? Such question arises in all of our mind. Answer is very simple that my home and my village is on earth. Thus, earth is called our huge home, which is very huge, isn't it? So let's know about our huge village. You also want to know this, which is natural. You know that our earth is a member of solar family. Again, what is this solar family? Let me give you information regarding solar family. So, first topic is solar system. Our sun is a self-illuminated star of Mandakini galaxy, that is Milky Way. It is surrounded by many small and big stars. Earth is one such ball. All these are recognized as planets. Due to gravitational force of the sun and gravitational force of the planet, all these planets rotate around the sun in a circular form. These planets do not have light of their own. They are illuminated by the light of sun. These planets of solar system are of different size and forms. All these planets together make solar family or solar system. Thus, planets, satellites, small planets, comets and meteors are included in our solar system. So, let's get acquainted with this solar system. At first, let's know the sun as the key member of the solar system. Now, sun. We are familiar with the sun. Our daily work begins with the sunrise. Sun is the honored star. It is considered as the giver of the life on earth. The sun is about 13 million times larger than earth. If you want to make a revolution around sun, you sit in a plane running at a velocity of 1000 kilometers. It will take 107 years to complete the revolution. Gravitational force of sun is 28 times more than that of earth. Hence, the weight of the substance on earth weigh 1 kg on earth, it would weigh 28 kg on the surface of the sun. It is because of this gravitational force only that the planets are in their particular path and revolve on it. The earth is about 15 crores kilometers away from sun. It takes about quarter past 8 minutes for sunlight to reach the surface of earth. The surface of sun is always unstable. It includes several kilometers long igniting fire flares. The sun's core is made up of hydrogen gas. It produces light and heat from the action of hydrogen and helium in air, which we call energy. So the surface of sun is very hot. It is because of sun's energy that organisms have developed on earth. Thus, the sun is also known as the guardian of organism. Now let's briefly introduce planets. There are total 8 planets in solar family, among which Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are inner planet, while Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are outer planets. The planets of Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus and Saturn can be seen with the naked eyes. Number 1. Mercury. This planet is closest to the sun. It is yellowish in color. Mercury doesn't have atmosphere or satellite. From the earth, we see Mercury in the sky for some time before sunrise and after sunset. Number 2. Venus. It is most dazzling planet in the solar family. In size and weight, it is like Earth, like twin brother of Earth. It resembles the moon in shine. It doesn't have a satellite. Due to thick cover of gases and clouds around it, less knowledge is there about it. Next is Earth. Earth is located between Venus and Mars. Earth completes one rotation around the Sun on its axis in 24 hours, while the Earth completes one revolution around the Sun in 365 days. Events such as day and nights and the change of season can only be seen here. Earth has one satellite, Moon. Now, Moon, it is the only satellite of Earth. It takes about 27.3 days to complete its rotation on its axis around Sun. There is no atmosphere on Moon. There is no life on it as there is no water and temperature above the Moon. It is a non-luminous body. It is illuminated by the sun. Due to falling of meteorites on the surface of the moon, large pits have formed. Extinct, that is dead, volcanoes are found here. Next is Mars. It is beautiful red colored illuminated planet. Atmosphere of Mars is lighter. As per season, more cold and heat is there on Mars. It has two satellites. Scientists are trying to develop organism on Mars. Jupiter, next is Jupiter. Jupiter is light yellowish white planet. Jupiter has gaseous atmosphere around it. This planet is believed to be very cold. It is the largest planet of solar system. It has 79 satellites. In this also scientists have different opinion. This huge planet can be seen with the help of binocular. While watching through binocular, droplets can be seen on the surface which looks beautiful. Next is Saturn. In the solar family, it is located between Jupiter and Uranus. It is the second largest planet after Jupiter. It looks beautiful with bright rings of blue color. It looks different because of rings. These rings look like a turban worn on the head. Saturn is also called turban planet. Saturn has more than 62 satellites. The surface temperature of Saturn quite low because of its distance from the sun. Now number 7 is Uranus. It is so far away from the earth that it could not be seen with the help of ordinary binocular. The light of sun is also like light moonlight. As astronomer named William Herschel discovered the planet in 1781. This planet is very cold. Children, you can see on page number 48, picture number 9.1 of solar system. Now next is Neptune. This planet is green in color. Its atmosphere contains a toxic gas called methane. Seasonal variation is observed on this planet like Earth. Do you remember the name of the planet according to their location? Then speak this only. My very excellent mother just served us noodle. So M is for Mercury, very V is for Venus, E Earth, M Mars, J Jupiter, S Saturn, U Uranus and N Neptune. Now meteors. Sometimes it appears that star is falling from the sky at night. Actually, stars do not fall. Some pieces of stone, oblique rocks moving in the sky or small parts of planets are called meteors. These meteors are quickly drawn towards Earth because of gravitational force. As soon as it enters atmosphere, it gets ignited due to friction. At this time, a bright line is seen in the sky, for which we say that star is falling. Some of meteors which are not burnt fully cause huge cracks in the earth. Koyna Lake of Maharashtra is believed to be composed due to falling of such meteorites. In Saurashtra near Dhajala, a meteorites had fallen which weighted 40 kgs. Now next is constellation. In wider sense, any set of star or even a single star is called constellation. Some of the constellations have specific shape because of the mass of star. It sometimes look like a goose and sometimes like a eagle. There are total 27 constellations like Ashwini, Revati, Vishaka, Punarvasu, Oriono, Rohini, Pushya, Arya, Swati, etc. Two or three constellations surround the moon for which we have to look at sky continuously. Remembering the name of constellations is not easy, but they can be easily memorized by repeated viewing and understanding. Some names are remembered as they are associated with auspicious work like at the time of Pushya constellations, gold and silver is purchased. This is information about our solar family or solar system. You still have to learn a lot about your home, that is Earth. So let's begin. Now, location and shape of the Earth. We see the sun and the moon shaking. How good it looks. Our Earth is also such a sphere only. It is spherical. It is flat at both the poles. Some astronauts have gone up to the moon. They have taken Earth photograph from there. From moon, Earth looks like a giant sphere. We are living in a small village or city. The part of Earth which we are able to see is a very small part of Earth. Thus, it cannot be said by us that Earth is spherical. Have you ever seen broken earthen pot? If you take a small piece of it in your hand, you cannot imagine that it would have been round. Thus, looking at a small part of the earth does not tell us that the whole earth is spherical. But now, with the help of photographs taken from moon and space, we can say that there is no doubt about the earth shape. Now, student, I will explain you the further topic in my next video. Thank you.